Are you looking for the perfect plasma cutter, but feeling overwhelmed by all the options on Amazon? Stop. Don't waste your hard-earned money on the wrong tool. In today's video, we've scouted the absolute best 3 plasma cutting machines of 2026 that are currently dominating the USA market. Whether you're a hobbyist working in your garage or a pro in a fabrication shop, these machines will slice through steel, copper, and aluminum like a hot knife through butter. We've analyzed performance, durability, and real-world value to save you time and money. Stick around, because one of these is a total game-changer for your workshop. Let's dive into the countdown of the top-rated cutters you can grab right now. Product 1. Starting our list is the GUOZHI 50A Plasma Cutter. This machine is an absolute dream for beginners and DIY enthusiasts. It features a smart dual-voltage 110 and 220-volt design, meaning you can plug it into a standard household outlet or a heavy-duty shop socket. Its advanced IGBT inverter technology ensures a stable, clean cut every single time. It's incredibly lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around any project site. It handles up to a half-inch clean cut with impressive precision. Pros: highly portable, user-friendly dual voltage, and very budget-friendly. Cons: not designed for heavy-duty, continuous industrial production. Customer review: USA customers love its plug-and-play simplicity. One reviewer mentioned it outperforms many expensive brands for half the price, making it a top-rated choice for home repairs. Product 2. Next up is the high-performance powerhouse from Bestarc. If you're looking for professional-grade results without the massive price tag, this is your machine. The standout feature here is the non-touch pilot arc technology. This allows you to cut without touching the torch tip to the metal, which drastically extends the life of your consumables. It slices through rusty, painted, or expanded metal effortlessly, making it a versatile beast for automotive restoration or artistic metalwork. It's built like a tank and ready for work. Pros: pilot arc technology, high-frequency start, and exceptional build quality. Cons: the air regulator setup can be slightly tricky for absolute beginners. Customer review: American fabricators praise its incredible cutting speed and clean finish. Many reviewers noted it is the most reliable mid-range cutter they've ever owned for shop use. Finally, we have a legend in the industry, the Lotos 5000D. This machine features the innovative drag cut technology, allowing you to drag the torch tip directly across the metal for maximum precision and steady hands. It's a compact powerhouse that delivers a sharp half-inch clean cut and a 3/4-inch severance cut. It uses non-hazardous compressed air, making it safe and efficient for any home shop. It is widely considered the gold standard for reliable, budget-friendly professional cutters in the USA. Pros: famous drag cut capability, extreme reliability, and excellent long-term performance. Cons: official consumables can be slightly more expensive than generic ones. Customer review: with thousands of positive ratings, USA buyers highlight its longevity. Many users report using this machine for years without a single glitch, making it a highly trusted investment for any craftsman. That wraps up our list of the best 3 plasma cutting machines for 2026. Whether you need the portable GUOZHI, the advanced Bestarc, or the industry-trusted Lotos, you are making a great choice for your workshop. To grab the best deals and check current pricing, make sure to click the official Amazon links in the description below. If this video helped you decide, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow makers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Global Product Scout so you never miss our latest tech and tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy cutting!